How to create a balanced meal plan for the week. Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Health. Planning your meals for the week can be a game changer when it comes to eating healthy and saving time. Today I'm going to show you how to create a balanced meal plan that's nutritious, delicious, and easy to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics of a balanced meal. A balanced meal includes a variety of nutrients, carbohydrates for energy, protein for muscle repair, healthy fats for brain function, and plenty of vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. To create a balanced meal, think of your plate as divided into sections. Half of it should be filled with vegetables and fruits, 1/4 with lean proteins, and the last quarter with whole grains. Don't forget to add a small amount of healthy fat like olive oil or avocado for added flavor and nutrients. Step 2. Set your weekly goals. Before you start planning, think about your goals for the week. Are you focusing on weight loss, muscle gain, or just eating healthier? Your goals will help guide your meal choices. Take a few minutes to jot down your goals for the week, whether it's eating more veggies, cutting back on sugar, or trying new recipes. Having clear goals will keep you on track and motivated. Step 3. Plan your meals around key nutrients. When planning your meals, make sure to include a variety of nutrients to keep your diet balanced. Incorporate protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and beans, complex carbs like quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes, and healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados. Think about your meals in terms of nutrients. For example, breakfast could be oatmeal with berries and nuts, lunch a quinoa salad with chicken and avocado, and dinner a stir fry with tofu and vegetables. Don't forget to include snacks like fruit, yogurt, or a handful of almonds to keep your energy up throughout the day. Step 4. Make a grocery list. Once you've planned your meals, it's time to make a grocery list. This ensures you have everything you need and helps you avoid impulse buys at the store. Write down everything you need for the week based on your meal plan. Stick to your list when you shop and you'll save both time and money. Plus, it helps you stay focused on your health goals by avoiding unhealthy temptations. Step 5. Prep your meals in advance. Meal prepping is the key to staying on track with your meal plan. Spend a few hours on the weekend prepping ingredients, cooking proteins, and portioning out meals. Set aside some time on Sunday or your day off to prep your meals. Cook your proteins, chop your veggies, and portion everything out into containers. This way, you will have healthy meals ready to go, making it easy to stick to your plan, even on busy days. Step 6. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. Life happens and sometimes you might need to adjust your meal plan. Don't stress if you need to swap out a meal or grab something quick on the go. The key is to stay consistent overall. Remember, your meal plan is a guide, not a strict rule book. It's okay to make changes as needed. Just try to stick to your goals as much as possible. If you have a day where you eat out or change things up, get back on track the next day. And that's it. Your guide to creating a balanced meal plan for the week. By following these steps, you'll be able to enjoy nutritious, delicious meals that help you reach your health goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Daily Health, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest health and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.